Hi, my name is Sharon Goepferich. I'm with Cool Air Products. I'm here at AHR 2025 in Orlando, Florida. And Cool Air Products is known for our additives. We are also known for some condensate drain management, and we also have a brand new capacitor that just launched for 2025. I wanted to focus here on the SmartSeal Quick Shot. It's our injectable, reusable sealant. So with this product, you have a tool that is reusable with any additive that our company offers. And our sealant is just this tiny little syringe. It's a 0.2 ounce dose. It'll handle up to a 6-ton system and all stackable after that. With this product, you'll inject it with this one-way check valve, and then it operates just like a standard leak sealant where you hook it onto the low side of the system and inject it in with your gauges. This product is a 3-in-1, so you actually have a lubricant, a dye, and a sealant all in one little package. So most contractors are very skeptical about using direct inject sealants just because of the downsides, where it can clog up cap tubes, fail compressors, or even damage your tools. And with this product, it's a polymer-free and it's a non-reactive product, meaning it doesn't care about the oxygen or the moisture in the system. Whether you have pockets of air or not, it's not going to react and cause crystals. It actually operates very similar to how your blood platelets form a scab on your body. So it's actually going to search in your system to find damaged molecules. It repairs them. So it's going to grab onto the outer diameter of your hole, and then it's going to stack on top of itself to form that scab. And then the atmospheric changes of temperature and pressure are what's going to solidify it and make it a permanent seal. The Quick Seal sealant is going to cycle through the system with the lubricant or the oil of your system, opposed to a lot of the competition, which is going to be flowing through the refrigerant. When you have a hole, the refrigerant escapes, so you want something that's going to cycle through while you still need it to find the hole. Many of the Cool Air products are found at local distributors near you. We also offer several online distributors that you can buy from. If you are struggling to find one locally, we have on our website at www.coolairproducts.net a where to buy tab, and you can click on your region in the map and it will locate your local distributors who are actively stocking.